Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these, I'm going to call it Cornflake Chicken Tenders. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We put out a new video 3 times a week, and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload. Okay, so this is a really great way to bread chicken so that your breading is super crunchy. Like if you like a really crispy breading, this will do it. And I've also seen this trend kind of going around on TikTok as like a way to eat like fried foods, but with slightly lower calories. I don't know how accurate that is, but if, you know, it might be something fun to try, especially if you have some plain cornflakes. Okay, so here's what we're doing. I'm setting up my breading right now, and I'm using a little bit of flour with seasonings. You can use whatever seasonings you want. And then I have 2 eggs in a bowl, and then I have my cornflakes. And with the cornflakes, you just want to make sure that you crush them up just a little bit so that they'll grab onto the chicken better. So you just want to give them a little crush. You want to mix your seasonings and your flour together. And for seasonings, what I'm using in the flour, oh my God, the dogs decided that right now is the time to eat and drink water. So I'm using flour. I've got salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some chili powder in there. You could add whatever seasonings you want, but you just want to add the same seasonings to your cornflakes as well. And I'm just adding these right now. The other thing is when you're breading chicken like this, or when you're breading anything really, and you add seasonings, first of all, you want to season your flour. And you want to season at the last step as well. But you want to add more seasoning than you think you need to, because most of it is going to come off, or most of it is not going to, it's not all going to stick to the chicken. So it's best, I think it's best when you're breading to fry, you want to over season. So I just mixed everything up and I whisked the egg with a fork. And now I'm taking my chicken. I'm doing flour first, and I'm just really pressing that flour in. And I'm doing a sort of wet hand, dry hand method. So when I put my chicken in the egg, I use my other hand to maneuver it around. And if you don't want to use your hands, you don't have to. You can use a utensil. But I just think using my hands, they're the best utensil that I have. So you do want to make sure your hands are clean when you start this. Just in case anybody was concerned, I do wash my hands before I make videos. And then you want to put it in the cornflakes, and you want to really press the cornflakes into the chicken. So now in my pan, I had a little knob of butter left over from breakfast. I just threw that in the pan with a little bit of oil. I'm doing a really shallow fry. It's not like a true deep fry. You could actually deep fry these if you wanted to, but I just didn't want to use all of that oil. So I'm just doing like a quick fry in just a little bit of oil. So I let these cook for about 5 minutes, and then I flipped them. I'm sorry about Bailey eating. There's nothing I can do. And then I am checking the temperature. You want to make sure they get to 165 degrees for their internal temperature. And I am checking this one. I check all 3 of them. I get kind of frustrated with the last one. It was a little hard to catch. And when you're checking temperature like this, you want to make sure that you're not sticking your thermometer all the way through so that it's like touching the bottom of the pan. You want to really try to aim for like the middle of the chicken. That's going to get the best temperature reading, but you want to be really careful that you don't go all the way through. And there they are. These were absolutely delicious. And you want to make sure that you get plain cornflakes, not frosted flakes. I forgot to say that earlier. Don't get frosted flakes. That would be gross. Be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.